Good afternoon, it's Roger Gilbert from Milling and Grain magazine. I'm here in Jakarta attending the Indo Livestock exhibition. It's on for 3 days and this is the second day. And I'm on the stand of Amandus Kahl from Hamburg. And I'm sitting with Olaf Naehrig. He's the senior area manager, and he's going to not only tell us a little bit about Amandus Kahl products today, but also a little bit about why they're more important this time than possibly last time we were visiting the show. Olaf?
Yes. Hello, Roger. Thank you very much for your nice introduction. Good to talk to you again. So, yeah, we are here at the Indo Livestock to present our core technologies, which are expander, roller mills, and of course our pelleting presses. So, and we think Indonesia offers a lot of opportunities now for our product, especially for the Kahl expander. We see the recent reduction in the high quality ingredients like corn and wheat in the recipes, and so local feed millers in Indonesia have to find ways how to cope with this, how to condition the feed properly to get the same pellet qualities or better pellet qualities, and to keep the capacity of the pelleting presses at that level. And here obviously expander, as it is well known in the market, is a very suitable machine for it.
And what sort of reputation does expanders have in Indonesia in particular, and are other countries in the region using expanders?
Yes, so we are very successful with the expanders in Japan, in Korea, and also in Taiwan, going into the Philippines. And so here in Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia, expander were very successful already in the 1990s, but then got a little bit, I would say, forgotten. So, but now we see the strong impact again in expander technology. The interest is there, but also, of course, obviously after some years, people need to be brought to the technology back again here. So it's a quite of some introduction, some training, seminars from us required, also to talk to the people. So the interest is there. People see the advantages, but people also want to get more familiar before they make the final decisions.
And you were saying before that this might have something to do with the quality of raw material.
Yes.
I believe there is not restrictions, but there's a change in the way trade is done in raw materials in Indonesia. There's more emphasis on locally grown raw materials. And this is the area you think expanders have a role to play?
Certainly. So expander has been always a very good machine to improve ingredients. So not only in mixed feed, also we supply expanders for mono products, for mono components, where we are very successful with. And so when a country like Indonesia now wants to change this and want to make more use of local ingredients, we with the expander technology, we can support such a process there, and giving the feed millers the opportunity, of course, to produce a high quality feed out of it.
And how does this influence energy consumption, for example, or food safety?
Energy consumption, of course, expander plus a pelleting press. First of all, one can think now you have more energy installed when you calculate together. But what we see is typically we run expander starting at 7 to 8 kilowatt hours. We go also for higher broiler fat contents, maybe to 12 kilowatt hours per ton. So that's the main work then done in the expander. But what you see at the same time is a significant reduction of energy consumption in the pelleting press, which is then sometimes run only at 5 to 6 kilowatt hours per ton. And you make a very good pellet afterwards with PDI higher 95. And I think it's a very interesting energy consumption for this high pellet quality.
Very interesting. Are there other products that people are showing particular interest in this year?
Yes, we see a very good demand also in our roller mill technology here. Obviously, we see the low energy requirements, which is low as 1.5 to 2 kilowatt hours per ton. So here we have a very interesting alternative to reduce energy consumption in feed mills, especially when one has to look into different kind of products for the animals, like the pig feed, like the layer feed. One can also handle this very good with a roller mill and not with a hammer mill with higher energy consumption then.
Excellent. It's good to see a company like Kahl helping the industry to this degree. I hope you've had good interest at the show.
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about that, please.
Yes, so the feedback here at the show is very good. So we have, I think, so far seen more than 30 people here in very good talks, and I think the important is always the quality of the talks here, and the quality is on very high level here. And people, of course, always know Amandus Kahl because we have contributed to feed milling technology for so many decades now, and the Kahl name is well known. And people are, of course, again, curious in our latest technology here. And people, of course, appreciate also the Made in Germany approach from Amandus Kahl, which is maybe almost unique today in the industry.
I understand. Well, Olaf, thank you very much for talking to us. Yes. Good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.